Hey guys, so as you know, I decided to actually change my rims. I don't know most of you guys, if you guys realized from the previous video, I don't really like the rims that came with the car. It's this spider web design with a big huge lip. Yeah, I don't like it. So I'm gonna go and check out this guy. He apparently have a sales for his rim, and it's a 5-spoke design, so it's kind of cool. It looks like a T37, but it's not a T37. It looks like a LM-GT28 rims, which I really like. So I'm definitely gonna check it out, and if it looks good, I'm definitely grabbing it. And it comes with tires, so I don't have to remove these tires and swap the tires and stuff like that and cost more money in it. I can just like swap the rims, zap in, zap out, and it's gunmetal colored. So I do not want to waste time taking out the tires on this rim, going out for spray painting and stuff like that. So this will be really good. So let's get to it, yeah? So I was gonna do a time lapse of me driving over there, but it's crazy, yeah, man. It's like traffic has been crazy all this while, and well, I'm not going to do a time lapse while I'm stuck in traffic. So I'm going to do a little bit of review on this car. As you guys know, I've owned a lot of cars. Most comfortable car I've ever drove is, I gotta admit, is a E90. I mean, it's crazy smooth, like bumps and stuff like that. You see yellow lines. Yeah, I don't really feel it though. I mean, yeah, the Audi S4 is comfortable. It really is. It's really comfortable. But see, the one that I have comes with dynamic package, which have like dynamic suspension and everything. When it's on dynamic mode, yeah, it's not comfortable at all though. I mean, yeah, our roads is not as bad as other countries, but it's not as good as like Autobahn and stuff like that, or in Germany. So you can feel like every single detail on the road. And apparently this car I've checked before I purchased it. A lot of the bushings are, well, it's worn out, but it's not like broken into pieces and stuff like that. So it's still fine. Like I could still use it. But it's just, you feel like every single bump on the road as well. But it's not that bad though, to be honest. When I bought the S4 as well, the suspension was like not in really good shape. But the bushings were horrible. Bushings was bad, and I could feel everything, every single little thing. It's not that bad on this car though. It's smooth, it's nice. There's no power. I gotta admit, there's no power in it. VVTI kicking, yo. And I'm going 80. All that power, and I'm going 80. Boleh ke kejar? Nos! Oh, there's no nos yet. Shit. Never mind. Hey guys, so we are here. I'm just waiting for the guy to come up, and I'll take some pictures and videos of the rims. I think he's asleep. I call him so I'm just gonna probably have a smoke till he wakes up. It's fine, I don't mind waiting for 5-10 minutes, and yep, let's go check out the rim. Hey guys, so this is the new rims. As you can see, looks like so much more better. I think it's gunmetal grey though. Tire looks good. Tires still have a lot more treads. Everything looks fine, fixed perfectly, and it looks as the same diameter as the old rims, so it should fit perfectly. This one is the rear though, I think. Hold on. P1, yeah. Cinturato Pirelli P1 tires. Yep, this one is rear, as you can see. It's 275. So yep, everything looks good though. Hey guys, so I got the rims As you can see, it's right here. There's 3 of them. It's a very nice guy. Very humble guy. Tire looks good, rims looks good, no scratch, no dent, nothing. Tire looks in good condition as well. As you can see, it's super nice. He even washed the tires as well, kept it clean. He put some paper on the back here as well. I told him it's fine, you know, because he just washed it. Everything looks really clean. And now we are gonna get tires fixed. So I'm gonna go back to the same place that I fixed the tires in Badaputri. So yeah, let's go then. Hey guys, alright. Crack rear? Where? Oh wow. Yeah, the tire did crack though. Alright, let's see what we can find a solution for. Hey guys, so yeah, these tires are cracked, it's cracked badly. Definitely can't use them. So I'm gonna take the front one here, this one, and swap it over. So I'm gonna inform that guy as well though. I should have checked properly, but yeah, I didn't realize that. But it's fine. Alright, so what happened is, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but this thing is rubbing with the absorber mount, the tires. So yeah, it got me confusing a bit though. I mean, this one doesn't rub, this side doesn't rub, but the other side does. I think it's probably because of the tires. This one is a bit worn out. So this is 235. I'm probably going to go with a 225 instead, 225/35, so it's slightly thinner on the offset, on the sidewall, and also thinner on the width. And it's weird though. It's a ET38, so apparently it should fit a ET38, but it doesn't. Rear fits fine though. Rear fits fine. I'm gonna check it out. Yeah, rear fits fine though. Clears well. Everything seems well. Pretty sure it can fit. Like main reason why I want this rim is because it can clear up the M Sport calipers, which I am gonna put it on sooner or later. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna use the normal rims, the previous rims from the other day, and go back to Otago tire shop and tell him I would like to change the tires. So yep, let's get to it. I'm on the way to Otago Tire Center. It's such a nice guy though. I told him this tire is a little bit too small for the new rims and everything, and I told him, like, you know, buddy, can we change to a bigger size? I don't mind paying extra a little bit. He's like, yeah, sure, no worries, just bring it over and we'll change it. Only problem is there's no FRD. Sorry, I'm gonna slow down the aircon a bit. There's no FRD 46 apparently, so we have to get the Continental one, which I don't know. I think I'll just get that if the tire is good. It's 285/35 as well, so I'll try to probably use the 225 for the front. And what's up, auntie? Auntie marah lu. Lu tara dengan cakap saya. Tak tahu siapa dia marah. So yeah, alright, it's green light guys. I'll see you guys then. Alright, so as you can see, the front one I'm still using for temporary until I get the tires back to the tire shop. There's a lot of gap though, so I'm gonna get a thicker one to put on the back. I think it will be 285/35. That should fit nicely though. Yo. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, I need you guys to vote. This one or that one? Wait, ni laju ni. This is fast. Alright, I really love the rear, the 5-spoke design, right? I mean, come on guys, you gotta admit, the 5-spoke is still JDM like. The front one looks like, you know, someone's uncle's who's driving a BMW kind of style rim, so yep. Minyak tak ada pula. Astaga. Aha, we are here. Alright, so I'm gonna get the tires fixed. He's gonna drive up here. I can drive up, but you know, it's their policy to actually drive up. You know, they're afraid like I might do burnout and stuff like that. Mask on, guys. COVID-19, dangerous. Hey guys, so I'm here. I love this shop though. This shop is like one of the best tire shops I've been in. Like, honestly speaking, you know, I really like this shop. It's so good. The price is reasonable. You know, I mean, as a car guy, I've been to so many tire shops in my life, and they're always trying to bull crap you with all this. You know, you need to change this, you need to do that, or it's going to charge this, it's going to charge that. You know, some places I go, alignment is probably 30 to 40 ringgit. That's probably 10 USD. And some place I go, they charge you up to 50 USD for it, just because it's prestige, and they claim like they have the better equipment to do alignment and stuff like that, or balancing and stuff like that. But honestly, these guys, they use proper equipment where I see, when you know how low profile tires are extremely hard to remove and put it in, but with the machine they have, I saw, is such a unique machine that it just easily done, easily. So whoever want to check it out, guys, is Wing Hang Tire Services in Bandar Putri, guys. Should really check it out though. Comfortable, relaxed, so quiet, as you can see. Empty. I don't have to wait for like a billion people who's getting their car services done. It was a little bit busy just now in the evening, but I'm sorry, in the afternoon. Yeah, in the afternoon. But yeah, and it's clean. It's so clean. This is one of the most cleanest tire shop I've been in, and the staff is friendly, and the manager, yeah, he's such a nice guy, very friendly guy. You know, I like it. I love it. I'm definitely going to do all my cars here in the future. So do check it out as well, guys. Cheers, boys. All mounted. This looks thinner though, so we're gonna remove the old rims and try to fit it and make sure that it doesn't wrap the inside part of the exhauster mounting though. So fingers crossed, boys. Kena? Ngam-ngam ah? Hah? Pasal lepas ke? Lepas kan?
Wah, kenal.
Kena?
Oh.
Tadi macam ni juga kan? Hey guys, alright, so sorry I had to run some errands just now, so I couldn't really take more videos just now, and my GoPro battery ran out, both the battery. Thank God I've actually ordered new batteries. It's basically a charger as well, with 3 batteries. So yeah, that was good though. And the price was really cheap, so I'll do a review on that as well. You know, I know a lot of people do not want to purchase original GoPros and a battery. I mean, the price is a little bit steep, you know. I'll prefer buying cheap batteries that it's okay, because I've seen reviews that people using it without issues, and I can store like 10 batteries and just like keep swapping them whenever I need. I saw another one where they have like this aluminum case, like the one that I did a review on, that I'm using now. You can have an extra bigger size battery, plug it into it. But I don't really need that unless I'm gonna be doing a video or vlog for like hours, right? So it's fine. So I'm gonna show you guys. These are the new rims and tires. Looking good, right? Hold on. I'm gonna take it from this side. Yeah, looks good. Look how wide it is at the back. I swear to God, it looks like an LM-GT. A little bit. I had an LM-GT on my R33 back then. It wasn't an original one. It was a replica one. I couldn't afford original one, so yeah. I mean, I was still a student, guys. So looks good. So let me know what you guys think. You know, I think it looks good. I'll probably paint it. I don't know if I'm gonna paint it. Color is nice. Color is really nice, but the only problem is that if I were to repaint the car back, which obviously I'm gonna repaint the car back, I'm gonna do obsidian black. It's the same color, same black color as the GTR. GTR uses the same color code. I'm gonna paint that. I really love that black. I mean, this car is black, but it's not really black. I don't know how to explain it. It's black. It's black. It looks black at the first time you look at it. Oh, it's a black car. Is it? No. So yeah, you know, it doesn't really look that black. I want it real black, like black as people can see me on the road. That'd be dangerous, but yeah. So if I were to paint the whole car, which I will in the future, I might as well just tell him, dude, you know, paint the rims together. You know, it costs like probably a few $100, probably like 100 USD. So yep. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really appreciate it for you guys watching always. Thank you so much. Do like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys next video. Ciao, boys.